Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. I wanted to show you these RayNeo Air 3S AR glasses. They're super cool and very easy to use. When you're wearing these, it's like having a large 201-inch screen in front of you. The glasses uses OLED screens, which provide you with vivid colors and sharp images. You can use these for gaming, watching your movies, or doing your work. They're also very lightweight and you can easily wear them for hours. They also have a refresh rate of 120 Hz and the videos are in full HD. There's also 20 levels of brightness with 3 lighting modes to select. You can pick from movie, gaming, or everyday use. One of the features I really like about these glasses are the speakers. It provides sharper highs, richer mids, and deeper bass. And you don't have to worry about the sound disturbing others. With the patented whisper mode, only you will hear the sounds. Here's the part that you guys all have been waiting for. Let's open the box so I can show you what's included with the package. I do have to admit it came in a really neat holographic box. You can tell that they spent extra time with the packaging. Let's first take a look at all the accessories that the glasses come with. They are stored in this white box here. I was very impressed with the user manual. It was very thick and contains a lot of information on how to use these glasses. It's also written in several different languages and had a lot of illustrations to guide you along. To fully enjoy your glasses, make sure to take some time to read it. One question that I often get asked is, what happens if I have bad vision? Well, with these glasses, you can order prescription lenses for them. They included a sample pair so you can get a feel of how they look and works. And since we're not all built the same, it comes with an extra nose pad that you can adjust. You'll also get a quick start guide and a lint-free microfiber cloth. To extend the life of your AR glasses, it comes in this durable carrying case. And with the zipper design, you don't have to worry about the glasses falling out. It's also padded inside, so if your case takes a fall, your glasses won't bounce around inside. There's also this small pouch here where you could keep your accessories, such as your USB-C video cable. The glasses themselves look very futuristic, and you can pick from either a silver or black frame. On the handle of the glasses, there are buttons that control the sound, the on-off, and the brightness. This is also where you'll plug in your USB-C video cable. You can plug this into your iPhone, your Switch, computer, laptop, or any other video display that uses a USB-C cable. It's plug and play, so you don't have to install any additional driver or hardware. There's also a lot of other cool accessories that you can purchase separately to watch your favorite movies or to surf the internet.